Hi guys, in this tutorial you see a simple pretty cool scene about 2D animate, like this. Woohoo! It's so good! Okay, go to the Adobe After Effects CC and create a new composition. Composition name is Comp1 and with 1280 and 720 resolution. Create a new solid layer, white color, okay, and layer name is background or BG. Create a new shape layer and select our shape and draw that. It's our ground for my animate, and shape layer name is base. Change anchor point position to the center of shape. It's good. It's good. Go to the transform, scale, and of the constraint properties, scale. Create a new keyframe in a 0 second. And 100. Go to the edit graph to have a soft animate. Press 0 key to run. This is soft. It's good. Good. Create a new shape layer. And layer name is mountain. Change layer color to brown. No, the yellow is better. Okay, and use the pen tools to illustrate our mountain. And it's good. So change our color, gray, and change your position. Lighter color and darker color. Good. Go to the transform to animate mountain position, create a new keyframe in this second, and go to the timeline, 2 seconds, and its position. It's good. Create a new shape layer to show our mountain. Area. Shape layer name is guard and illustrate our area to show mountain layer. Go to the lower layer and show in the guard like this. The guard area show our mountain. It's good. It's good. To have a soft animate, we can use the motion v2 script is a so good and so useful script and so easy. Okay, create a other shape layer to make other mountain. Layer name is mountain 2 and illustrate other mountain. This and this. And this. It's good. And change color, darker color, darker gray, and in the lower layer, in the backward, change its size and set up this. To have animate mountain 2, go to transform, position in this position, and 2 second, and this position. Good. And used to motion video script to have an easy animate, easy soft animate, and copy our guard to have an area to show mountain 2. Okay, shape layer name is mountain 3. Illustrate a tiny mountain in front. Okay, use to pen tool and illustrate our tiny mountain. This position and this. Okay, and change its color to lighter gray. The back layer and animate this. In a good position. This create a new keyframe, and this create a new keyframe. To have a soft animate, go to the edit graph, or in a simple way to have a soft animate, go to the motion video script, and create our soft animate. Okay, Ctrl D to have a new guard and area to show our tiny mountain like other mountain area. Okay, press 0 key and run. It is so good, it's so good. Okay, create a new layer, new shape layer to have a change our shape, to have a sun layer, and change anchor point and layer name is sun. Change anchor point to center of shape, center of circle, good, and change color to yellow. It's so light, it's darker, no, very dark, it's good, it's good. Okay, now I want to animate our sun in a good position. no, slate. Okay, it's good. And new keyframe in this position, and create a soft animate, motion v2, and Control D to have new guard to show in this area. Sun layer is front. In the front, no sun layer, and guard layer, it's guard to the back layer, to back mountain. Ooh, it's good. Okay, create a new shape layer to have occlude and have a better scene. Layer name is occlude. And use the pen tools, have occlude and layer stroke number of 34, and change stroke color, and go to the pad and a stroke, and have a round cap, static cloud, and add and have a path trim to animate, have a trim path to animate this, and keyframe in that second and 100, and keyframe. Oh, it's good. It's good. And start 6 seconds. And this. And go to transform position. Keyframe in 0 second and keyframe in 10 seconds. And move in the X dimension to have a good animate. Okay, and this. It's good. Got the precomp. Precomp name is occlude. Control D to have an other occlude in other position. And change layer position to have a other time to animate. Okay. Again, Control D to have it other occlude and rotate this occlude. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment your idea. See you in the next video.